welcome to my video today. I am here to share with you my 2020 January Stamp Club projects, and they are right here. I am going to show you, I'm going to walk through these cards with you and show you all of all their cuteness because they are so cute. And you will also notice that there's a little bit of some exclusive product on here, which is going to be fun as well to share with you. These are my club projects for January. I have a club called Ink It Up and Create. And in this club, we make 5 different projects, and then we have a bonus project that we make. And so I want to show you these cards in more detail, and I want to go through the options of how you can join the club and get the club packet and the projects. So I'm going to go ahead and pop you up top here, and we're going to look at these cards. I'm going to walk through them with you and tell you all the details. I hope you will join me. I've updated my club a little bit. I've just done a few tweaks, so there's lots of options for you to be able to join and get the product and the videos and the PDF and all of the things that I offer. So let's go ahead and walk through these. All right, let's take a look at the club projects for January. For January 2020, I am using the Honey Bee stamp set, and then they also have dies, and my dies are just sitting inside my stamp case until I can get some extra magnet sheets to get those put away. So I've chosen the Honey Bee bundle, the stamp set and the dies, and I've created these cards. Now I've updated my club a little bit. I've done a few little tweaks to it so that first, there are more options for you to be able to join, and 2, there are more projects for us to make. So my goal with the Ink It Up and Create Stamp Club is that you will know what products you're getting, and then you will be able to create right away. When you get your product, you can dive in and make these projects. So this is the exclusive PDF that it's not completely finished. This was an old project that we did, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what the PDF looked like. So the updated version of my club is, instead of just making 3 cards and then you make 2 each of each design, instead you're making 5 different cards. So you get an entire card kit with all of the pieces, including the designer paper, all of the die cuts to make these projects. If you sign up for the first option, which the very first option is you just place a $50 order or more with me, and you can order anything you want. I always provide a supply list. So for this month, in this case, the supply list would just be the Honey Bee bundle. And then you do need the stamp set to finish the cards if you want to do them exactly like I do. But you don't have to purchase that. You can just purchase anything you want. And then it's a $50 order. That's before shipping and tax. And then you get everything. You get the kit. You get the PDF. I have pre-recorded videos. We have a really fun Facebook group where we have giveaways. And then I also do a bonus project. And that bonus project is done live. So if you want to do that option, you just sign up. It's a 6-month commitment. You place your orders, and it's very easy and very simple. You do that each month. There is a host code that comes out. If you're not on Facebook, it's totally fine. I send out an email with all of the information on all of the attached videos. So I just thought I would walk you through these cards. The second option for you, if you don't want to place the order, or you might be a demonstrator and you order your own product and you don't want to have to place an order with me, but you want to get the kits, you can do that. That is the second option. It's $35 a month. You get all of the product. So you get the card kits. You get all of the designer paper cut out. These hexagons, you might notice, and you might be wondering, where are those in the Stampin' Up! Catalog? They are actually not a Stampin' Up! Product. And this is something new. This is another little tweak that I am doing going forward this year. You may see some product that is not always Stampin' Up! In these kits. And in that case, you do get the product. So you will get all the hexagons cut out and ready for you. I just couldn't resist having this stamp set and die and not having hexagons to go with this product line. So those are exclusive and not found in the catalog, and you get all of those. So if you are wanting to purchase your own product, but you want to make the cards, you can do that by signing up. You get all of the pieces to do the cards. You get the envelopes and all of that. And then you get the pre-recorded videos along with the bonus video. You will not get a kit for that bonus project, but you will get the video. And then you also get the exclusive PDF that has all of the measurements and supply list and all of that. This month, we have two really fun fold cards. We have this one right here. And then we also have this one, which is also really fun. So you can get that option where you're just getting the kits. And then the very last option is to get the videos and the PDF and none of the products. So you won't get the stamp set or the die set, and you don't get the card kits, but you get the PDF and the exclusive videos so that you can have those. And then if you want to cut your own cardstock, or you want to, just follow the instructions on those, you can do that. So I have also updated my PDF. Like I said, this is actually our very first, the very first cards that we made. We used this one was the Modern Heart stamp set, and this is updated a little bit. There's a little bit less color on the very top, but what the PDF does is it gives you a description of everything that's in the kit along with the stamp set. It has a little bit more of a black and white feel. That way when you're printing it out, you're not wasting so much colored ink. It always has a color combo, some information for the month. And then it has a picture of the card along with all of the measurements for each card so that you have that. And then it has your bonus project in the very back. So down below in the YouTube description, there is a sign up form. You just click on that form. You'll pick whichever option you would like and then fill that out. And then when I get that form, I will contact you by email. If you happen to be on my website, the form is right in the blog post, or if you're on Facebook, the form is posted as well. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I would absolutely love for you to join me for the Ink It Up and Stamp Club. We have a lot of fun. I do a giveaway every single month. I've given away a Stamparatus, different card kits. I gave away the new trimmer. There's always a fun giveaway involved when you sign up for the first option, which is to just place your own orders and get the kits. So it's always fun. Our Facebook group is a lot of fun to be a part of, and I love hanging out and creating with you guys there. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you're having a wonderful new year. The new host code for this month's kit will go out on January 3rd when the catalog goes live. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a happy new year, and I will chat with you guys tomorrow when I share with you my paper pumpkin kit for the month of December. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later.